Yo, Red, why are we walking in the woods? For rabbit hunting and bunny hunting. Alright. There's something right there. It's at our sight. Oh no. Oh, I thought I was gonna sneeze. It's gonna chew on the good there. Wow, you got that guy a good one. Oh, the neighbors will be happy that you killed that rabbit. You got him. Yep. Alright, let's go find a rabbit. Let's wait here until another one comes. Until a rabbit comes. Okay, he's right there. Wow, you smoked that rabbit. We can even take it over to the neighbors. We can maybe cut its head off and make the hybrid the jackalope. Yay! We got him! Alright, let's go take our stuff home.